What's up, friends, and welcome to this video. Friends, I will show you how you can cancel Musescore free trial. So let's dive in on this video. First step, guys, log in your account. If you don't log in your account, you should be logged in. This is the first step. After that, guys, all you have to do, go to this here and go to my subscription or something like this. Look for my subscription here, click subscription, as you can see here on the screen. If I check this one, go to my subscription here, guys. This is the first one, subscription. And then, guys, all you have to do, click on cancel my auto renew, this one option, guys, as you can see here. And then you will be canceling your subscription successfully without any problems. Just click this one, guys, click cancel this option. Then if you have any problems or any problems, guys, you can free cancel anytime you see here. So don't worry, you can cancel anytime without any problems. Thanks, guys, for watching this video. Just follow these 2 steps to cancel your subscription successfully without any problems. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Click manage your my benefit here and then click cancel.